Oh man, where do I start? I always talk about how I'm not going to get on camera. I'm not going to talk about, what's going on but man, this shit right here is very difficult. We're going into season 3, first season in the NBL, and been trying to put guys in a position to build chemistry and get better all summer. Hired a GM, hired a second assistant coach, hired a trainer, hired a new videographer. I've been extremely busy. Been trying to work out and get in better shape myself. But my guys I don't know what they're doing. So it's as hard as it is to do, because I care about, all my players, all my guys. And we've been together for a while now, but in order to win, we got to rebuild.
Summer 2024 is the result of the end of the NBL season, losing to the Chicago Legends in the playoffs by 3 points, and not going to the tournament in Atlanta. It really was like the icing on the cake. Like Dom and Cal leaving, going to TBL in the middle of the season, sent us in a downward spiral, and we never recovered from it. So 2024 was a terrible summer for us. Like, we got our ass whooped all summer.
I swear to God, bro. Everything I love, getting around this for shit. You should start with Dom, bro. Nigga told me I want to go to, I'm like, alright, cool. You sure? Nigga had 2 dunks. Chris is home, bro.
But like I said, just knowing when it's time to rebuild, and having 2 of my best players leave in the middle of the season to chase a better opportunity, it killed us. Me and the big fella on a little stroll downtown Detroit.
The ball! Keep moving! Ballerina ass shit, man. Lay the ball up! Lay the ball up!
Getting to this point, Going on my 5th year as an owner and a coach of a semi-pro basketball team. The rebuilding stage is always difficult, but getting to this point, you realize when it's time. You realize when it's time to rebuild and to start to get some, new faces and try to change the culture a little bit. And I think after our first, rebuild, we end up winning a championship in the summer. But after that championship, everything just went downhill.
My name is Bravo, yeah, it's nice to meet you. She said I had her ass senorita, thinking of many ways just to please you. Would just give you the full thing, wouldn't tease you. As my woman, I ain't gon' play about you. Yeah, go ahead, put on that outfit I just bought you. Me and you together, yeah, ain't no losses. I mean, me and you together, it'll just be two bosses. And we'll just spend whatever, don't matter what it costs us. And yeah, they want our spot, but they would never get it. Ever since we got together, they been moving different. But it don't even matter, leave them on their business. They know that I'm yours and you're mine. And she knows that she stays on my mind. I know other niggas want what's mine. We know that I'll never play my lines. Don't take long to like wait. Most of the time I'm patient. What is something about you, baby? Like a nigga wanna see you naked. Physical touch, my love language. It's too hot, don't need a blanket. Putting in that work, I'm sweating. Baby girl, that body a blessing. Like my God, yeah. Answering on my breath. Like I want her right there. It's the way she peep me stare. Baby, come right here. And like she don't care. But yeah, I know she care because it's obvious. You want me to be managed, just say it with my chest. You know a nigga got money cause of the way I dress. In the X, if she single, she say yeah, I guess. And now shorty rockin' with me, that's how the story went. Got all this money, let's spend it up. We outside in 5 minutes, I'm pulling up. She don't worry about haters, it's only us. We can never go backwards, it's only up. What you paying on my, they ain't paying us. They can worry about us, where they ride the bus. But we taking that time, we ain't in a rush. We take care of each other, that is a must.